Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sufyan Sheikh presenting you Heskai Quotation Maker. So sometimes we need to make quotations to our clients or leads, while making an offer, they will ask continuously to create a formal quotation. If you simply tell them the price, they won't agree. They will ask for quotation. So we have to open the MS Word file and edit the entire things and then save it as a PDF. Then we should send to the person. So instead of that, we have quotation maker. So here simply we have to enter the field values like text or price, etc. Then quotation will be generated automatically. So let's see that. I have made a sample for e-commerce website. Then simply click on this unlock button. So all the fields have been placed. Okay, so this is an empty field, so no need here. We'll remove that. This red icon will remove each row. Then this is the item, so this one also item. So this one is item and this is item. Item means one product or service that we are providing. So e-commerce website design, this is one service, our service. So website development, basic website development is our one service. And then okay, this all fields I'll explain later. As of now, we'll click on listed quote. So quotation will be displayed here. Okay, so quotation is ready. Now we have our SK Technologies, etc. Our details on the left side and the client details on the right side. And then we have items here. So domain, its charges is 900 and 1800 and etc, etc. So 10,700 is the total will be taken automatically. Okay, next, bottom side also we have bottom left and bottom right text. And then we have notes like contact us on this number or email or address, etc. We can place in the bottom section. It is called notes. This one is called bottom left section. This is bottom right. This is top left. This is top right. Okay, this one also I'll make by default. Today's date will come and I'll keep some 14 days after today's date. So this I'll change later. So this entire thing is editable. So here you can write also. After generating the quotation also, you can make some changes. So then how to save this as a PDF? That's the next task. So simply click on print, control P, or else simply right click and then print is not here. So control P. So here you can choose the printer or else you can simply take it as a PDF, save as PDF, all pages, portrait, and then you can choose A4, etc, etc. So click on save. Then it will ask for the folder where to save. So it is saving here. So I'll click on save. Then it is simply saved. Now we'll go to that folder and we'll open that PDF. So this is the PDF we have generated. So this is the quotation. Okay. Now we'll see how to make our own quotation instead of the sample. So first is top left first row. So this row will come here, HSK Technologies. And if we add one more row, then it will come after the first row and the third line like this. So for each line you have to add one box here. And then top right content. This is client name and his company and his city location. And then item means our product or service. So domain, I can write domain registration like that. So domain registration, if you want to keep the currency symbol, then also you can keep here. So this bar is the separator. Description and price will be separated by this bar symbol. Okay, so When you make changes, simply click on enter. This quotation will be reloaded. So new quotation will be generated each time. So changes are here coming. 1 year hosting and domain registration and a prefix also, currency symbol also came. So for this currency symbol will not come for total. For these all these things you can keep the currency prefix. So item means our service or product, and bottom left content you can keep like managing director or CEO like that. So managing director, enter. When I press enter, this quotation will be reloaded. So each time, so here managing director has come. Like this, you can add as many rows as possible. So finally, notes are there. So to add a new row, click on this add new row. So keep its type as notes. Then whatever we write here, apple, bat, etc., it will come in the notes section. That is bottom section. So here apple bat has come. Like this, we can add notes and bottom right section, bottom left, bottom top, top left, top right, like that. So and when we are finished, click on this listed quote or simply press enter. Every time this page will be reloaded. And one more thing is, all these contents are editable. So here you can simply replace your company name like this, healthcare technologies, like this you can replace. So this HTML page is editable. Here also you can edit the date and due date, etc., invoice number, everything you can edit. So on finish, simply click on print and save as PDF. Otherwise, if you want to convert it into MS Word format, simply click Control A, select all, then Control C, copy, and then open MS Word file and then paste it, Control V. So everything will be set right in MS Word format also. So you can save this and send to your client or your team, whoever it is. MS Word format also available by doing copy paste. Otherwise, you can simply take a screenshot or PDF, whichever format you like. So for sample, I have kept this unlock option. So now I'll make a quotation from scratch. Okay, from starting onwards, every field I'll make. So I'll show some random text. So this field I am keeping top left. Okay, another top left field I will keep. So this will become on top left side, and top right, some content I will keep on top right. So ZZZ and YYY. You can press tab space to get new row. So tab will focus will become here, and then space. Tab space means new row. So bottom left, I will keep some content in bottom left and bottom left, and bottom right side also I will keep some content. So PPPPP and wo. All this will become on four sides. So now items we should add. That means our service items. So whatever service we are providing, the description we should write, and then we should keep this bar symbol and then amount 500. So another row item description and bar and 5000. So two items I have added. Then we can keep some notes in footer. So this is notes section, bottom section. So add new row, keep it as a notes, and then add some notes. So contact us on this number, so and so number. If you want another line in notes section, simply add one more row and keep that one also notes. So this is second line in notes. Now we'll click on listed quote. So quotation will be generated again. The same page will be reloaded every time. So this is the top left part, top right part. I have entered ZZ in one row and YY in another row. So this one, top right ZZ, top right YY. So these two lines will come in two lines, two paragraphs. So we have entered two items and those two prices. After generating also you can edit it. So here I am keeping RS rupees like this. So after creating also you can edit this page, and this is bottom left, bottom right, and this is notes section. So like this you can make a quotation, and you can edit entire all the fields. So while editing you should be careful, so sometimes we'll lose the formatting, sizes and everything will be lost. If something like that occurs, simply Ctrl Z, undo. So print and save as PDF, or else Control A, select all, copy everything, and then simply paste it in a MS Word file. Then everything will be set in MS Word file also. You can save this for further use. So we have PDF and MS Word format, or you can simply take this screenshot also. So we have one screenshot plugin extension, and this will make a screenshot also. So capture entire full page. So this will capture the entire page in image format. You can simply send this also to the client in a photo format also you can send. So we have crop feature also. Okay, so this is Heskai quotation maker, and in future we'll improve somewhat for this, and we'll add some more features. So for more videos like this, for more tips and tricks, so subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Okay.